Southern Forecast. Weather from where you live.
We've had record cold temperatures in the southern U.S. for multiple mornings. We've had 40s down to north central Florida, very cold surface high down here. So it's cold and it's dry air. Well, what are we doing now? We're taking tropical moisture and raining it through that cold, dry air. So it's only making it cooler and more stable. This is very important for our severe weather risk on Friday, because now that this area is very stable, with the rain coming down, the rain flowing through that dry air, we're getting evaporative cooling. What it's doing is it's preventing any instability or energy for storms to be completely out of the question here. There's just none here. So when we look at a map of Cape is energy for storms. It's buoyancy for storms to get going and storms that could go severe. Notice where the Cape is. It's right here. It's Iowa, Missouri, Oklahoma, all the way down to Texas. This is not only tomorrow, but into Friday. But normally, you would expect there to be all kinds of greens and yellows down here in the south because the Gulf is so warm and boiling. This is where we get a lot of our Cape or our energy for storms. It comes from the warm Gulf. But look at this. There's nothing down here because it's so cool and stable. Our winds will be from the south and southeast, so we're not getting the really unstable air in here. The unstable air is from Mexico up to Iowa. We get a little bit for into Friday evening, but you notice how we just don't have any down in Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia. And if we're going to get a lot of severe weather here, we got to see a reservoir of Cape or energy down in Missouri, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, and Georgia. So that said, we get a little bit of that in here. So it's a marginal risk for severe west of US 231 Friday late afternoon and evening for severe gusts. The better chance of severe weather is certainly Iowa, Missouri, western Illinois, down into Oklahoma. All that said, after some scattered showers and storms tonight into tomorrow morning, especially in the northern half of the area, it's sun and 77 in the afternoon, kind of breezy. Cooler in the north around 70, but near 80 at Covington. Mid-70s at Flora. On Friday, a couple showers in the morning, then a break. The showers and storms late afternoon and evening, 75 for the high after 56 during the morning, with 72 to 79 doing it for highs viewing area wide. Watch on Futurecast again this evening, 7:30. Few showers in the north, at 10:30. Showers and thunderstorms, especially in the northern half of the viewing area at 4:30 in the morning. And here we are at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Still scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially in the northern half of the area. Then everything moves north and we dry out tomorrow afternoon on what's going to be a warm day. Friday morning, a few little showers around, but look what happens Friday late afternoon, evening. Here comes the rain and some thunderstorms. This is 4:30 on Friday. Here we are at 6. Here we are at 7. Showers, storms all around the area, and it's the same thing at 11:30 as well before we just turn overcast and starts to get kind of rainy come Saturday. So all that said, temperatures cooling off for the weekend, and it will still continue to rain off and on, and this rain will add up for whatever we get tonight to whatever we get through Sunday. 1.5 to 3 inches expected. So there's that cooling off. We're in the 50s for the weekend. It's showery, it's gray, it's kind of windy. 58 on Tuesday, that is, 65 on Wednesday. Then we warm up next week with more shower storms next Friday and Saturday.